knowledge is powerful and experience is the best teacher. I just go through something that I feel that might be very very sweet to the community, which I want to share with you in this particular video. And what is that? I want to share with you about how to overcome this network error. Please check your connection and try again, because a lot of people have been trying to claim their Synindra tokens, and this is the message they keep receiving, which is network error. Please check your connection and try again later. So if you have been having this issue, then this video is for you, and you are going to resolve it by simply watching this video from the beginning to the end, and and that will be gone for good. So you can now freely claim your Synindra tokens. I've been working on this for some days now, and I finally got the secret, and I want to share with you in this particular video. So this video is going to be very very instrumental to those set of people. And if you have not yet joined the Synindra project, make sure that you go to the comment section of this video. You are going to see the link, join and start participating immediately. And if you are looking out to completing your KYC, make sure that you also go to the comment section or the description section. You are going to see a link to my Telegram channel, then join and then comment there, and then I'm going to guide you from there so that you can join. And as you know, a lot of Synindra has been building. They have been deflating. They have also reduced supply of their tokens, and then they have been pushing so many activities right now, aside updating their app, aside running some developments and taking some decisive and strategic decisions recently. And all of this prompts or grooms to the one singular fact, which is the listing. The listing is going to be happening very very soon, and that will be probably this year. So now it is very very important that you mine as if your life depends on it, and don't joke with it like probably you used to before. Well, I'm being serious, and that is why I decided to look out for this information that I want to share with you right now. But before I go into that, if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So for the past few days, this is how my Synindra app was showing. This is how it was showing. Anytime I try to come over and click on claim right here, I will end up just receiving this message right here that a network error, this that. So when I took the screenshot, if you look at my app right now, you'll see that this is how it looks like, and you can see I have a 1-day mining streak right here, and then it is actively mining right here. So the question is, what did I do that I didn't know about, or that I have not done before? I have been reading so many things on X, from the comment section of the Sidra Chain X account. Sometimes even the Synindra team suggests that okay, you should log out of it and then log in back. Some have tried all of those things. Even sometimes, even to ordinary log out, it will be difficult. You won't be able to log out. So what did I do? It's very simple. That is what I want to show you. First thing, if you are using iPhone, I don't know how you are going to go about it. I believe it is the same method. And if you are using an Android like me, then it's going to be very swift for you. So all you need to do is locate the settings on your phone, right like this. I'm on my settings, and then you're going to scroll around to app management. So once you go to app management, come to app list. So click on it, then come over to this section right here, and then search for Synindra. So it is going to open up like this. This is your app now, your Sidra Chain app. So you have to come down right here. You can see storage and cage. So click on it. So once you click on it, first of all, come here, clear this one. So after clearing this one, clear this one too. Now once you have cleared these two things, it is going to automatically log you out of your Synindra account. You will not be logged in again. So what you need to do is this: head back to your Synindra app. So once you head back to your Synindra app, now log in using your email. And I have made a video in the past and showed you how to do Google Authenticator on your Sidra Chain. If you have done that, know that this time around you need it. You need that Google Authenticator while logging in. So you need to log in. A code to be sent to your email, so you copy that code, come and paste in the app, and then you're going to see where you're going to do a captcha like this. So just click on it. There is one square box there, click on it, and then you're going to see that you successfully log in. So once you log in now, you're going to see that if you come right here to click, you just click and claim. No facial capturing again. So everything is soft. Even to swap tokens, you don't need any facial capturing. To claim your tokens, you don't need it. To swap tokens, you don't need it. So if you don't go through this process, you keep on, anytime you click on claim, first you will see the face capturing. and then at the end of the day you'll still not get it. So if you do this thing, I believe it is going to work. And if you try and it works, don't forget, leave a comment in the comment section of this video to encourage someone, and then also share this video, let it go wide, to help other people that are struggling with their Synindra claiming and they are not being successful. So that will be all for now. And before I go, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.